Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow messages to access focus on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, we scroll down. And then in here, tap on Messages. At the top here, go to the Allow Messages to Access section and then tap on Focus. Tap on the toggle button to switch off focus. This will not allow messages to access focus. Otherwise, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it on and messages will be able to access focus. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to the settings page or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.